Alright guys, we're about to cut out a corn patch and we got this that we are gonna cut it out with, and it's 12 amps I believe. There's the trigger system. It has a spot to put your cord through there, and then it hooks on there. Now you can see. Didn't want to focus for a minute there. There you go. So it hooks up kind of like a weed whacker. And there's the cord hanger there. It's got the wheels. They just pop up with that pin right there. I'll show you guys. So you just pull that pin and then they go right up like that when you're ready to start tilling. And then we are going to, we're doing about 70 of them, so we're going to do them 7 by 10, all 1 foot apart. So we're going to go 9 feet by 12 feet to give us a foot off on each side, and everything will have a perfect 1 foot spacing. Alright, so to start off, we're just going to pick a corner, put a dot down, and then we'll measure everything from there. So we've got a bit of a hole here, and then it kind of levels out going forward. And then we got our compost there. I think we're gonna do it starting with a better view of the garden area. So we'll have it starting about here and then going back. So I'll start the corner about where just off the corner of that one, right about here. And now we're gonna measure everything out. All right guys, due to spacing, we went 8 by 12 instead of 9 by 12. But there is our guide that we're gonna go off of. Give you guys an idea. This corner's kind of not much grass. And then over there is a little bit of spilled over compost with rocks, small pebbles, and then this is dense, thick grass for the rest of it. So let's see how this works on it. Alright guys, not even kidding, it took 10 minutes to do literally half of it. This is insane. I can't believe how long I went without one of these. What a game changer, look at that. Like, that is thick. Awesome.